folks, look at this. You go around driving around with a Nissan. Just picked it up at the dealership. Steering wheel all fucking crooked. They just put a motor and transmission in it because they were junk, the old ones were. Look at how many miles they got on it. Look at that, 20,000 miles. And we got crooked steering wheel that comes back. They put a new motor and transmission, so they say. I don't know. But the steering wheel all crooked now. What did they do, you think? Drop something? The steering wheel's all crooked. I'm in a parking lot, so I can do this. Just so you can see I'm in a parking lot. I'm not gonna crash or anything. In a big parking lot, but the steering wheel's all crooked when you go straight. I'm going straight, as you can tell. And the steering wheel's all crooked. I don't know what's going on. Why they would even send you a truck back like this. I mean, obviously they didn't drive it. Going straight, crooked steering wheel. Going straight, crooked steering wheel. Brand new truck. 20,000 miles. I don't know what to say. Stay away from Freedom Nissan in Burlington, Vermont. Freedom Nissan. Folks, I would not buy anything from them or bring anything there for to get worked on for your maintenance or anything like that, because this is what you get. Then we didn't even have a loaner for, I think it was almost 4 weeks with no truck, with no loaner. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Thanks a lot for absolutely nothing. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember, Freedom Nissan, Burlington, Vermont. Stay away.